It's October of 2022. I was hyped. I was consciously looking at fan animations. If fan mates are this good, then the actual anime is gonna be fire, right? Right? Anime comes. The fast-paced action is slow and sluggish. The movement that cannot have been done by normal humans are suddenly motion captured. The CG movements. The animation was better than the anime. Director says, I don't want to make an anime, I want to make a movie. And just direct a movie, you got what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Despite that, everyone likes it. This is the best anime of 2022. It's an artistic vision. Better than generic anime, man. It's Fujimoto likes movie, man. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah, they say that. Mocking me for daring to hate on the anime. Calling me stupid. I'm not stupid. Anyway, Pochi comes and destroys the chainsaw man. The Blu-ray flaps. Come on, the Blu-rays don't mean anything. Anything. After that, no one talks about Chainsaw Man. No one. No one. I became a Aaron, fighting a no-win fight. Mappa changes his director. Wow, wow, wow. It is a new trailer. It's a fast-paced action with lots of Sakuga. It's better than a fan animation. Wow. Who's laughing now? Me, it's me. I can finally stop itching about Chainsaw. Wow. Gonna decrease my most viewed video, dude. Oh, this is transfer. Boo, boo. Bro, this is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Goddamn, yeah, goddamn back. Let's goddamn go. Pigs, let's go. Goodbye.